Okay, I am Dr. Vivek Gupta, working here as Senior Interventional Cardiologist in Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. We have just finished a case of large OM, which we did quickly in a patient who had a primary PCI about 2 weeks back. So myself, Dr. Vivek Gupta, our nurse Shaima, and our very important technician, Mr. Shyam, I think senior most in Apollo, with my friend Mr. Mansoor, who is trying to make a hospital in Etawah and other places in India. So he's just a businessman with us. So okay, so let me introduce this patient. Had a primary angioplasty of right coronary artery in a mid segment. He had a acute inferior wall MI. It's already a follow-up case of RC angioplasty which was done. He had a drug default. He did not follow up the full treatment, but unfortunately he had an MI about 2 weeks back. We did a angioplasty preceded by a thrombosuction, and we did a check angio of the right coronary artery, and we saw that the artery was fully patent. And just show the picture. Yeah, this artery was fully patent. You can see the stent in the middle segment flowing very well with TB3 flow. The patient, we had a small instant restenosis of the previous stent, and we were trying to find out whether we need to put a stent. Finally, we decided that we will not put a stent in the proximal segment. It is not more than 30 to 40 or 50% maximum. So we now did a stage procedure of the left segment. Next view, yeah. So there is tight stenosis in the OM1. And it's not a difficult case, but we had to quickly wire it. Next, a quick wire with the PT, choice PT of Boston, and then balloon with a 2 millimeter balloon going up. We struggled with a 2.25 balloon, and we changed the balloon quickly, yes, and we ballooned and pre-dilated, and quickly put a stent. Next view, yeah, the stent of 2.25 only, a small vessel. Okay, so this is the shot we saw. The last shot we can see, yeah. Yes. So this is the patient who had a good stenting done in the OM1 in a staged procedure. We did a post dilatation also, and the final shot is extremely good, and a fully open artery with a Pronova XR stent. Back to me. Okay, so this patient has shown that we initially did a primary PCI because the patient had a little bad hemodynamics, and we had to do thrombosuction. We decided earlier not to do a stent in the OM. We thought of doing a staged procedure. So we have to just tell that sometimes staged procedure and primary PCI is also a good thing unless you have a very tight stenosis somewhere else. So we did a right coronary as a thrombosuction with a primary PCI. After 2 weeks of giving a follow-up, we did a check angiography, and then we finalized the treatment with the OM. So the staged procedure in primary PCI has been a good suggestion, and sometimes people are tend to do. They are in fact excited to do all the stents in the same sitting, which can be done of course in a patient who is fully stable. But if you have a choice, you can always stage the procedure, because then you have possibility of doing a check angiography of the artery which you have done. Thank you very much for watching, and once again I introduce my nurses, Shaima, and our technician, Mr. Shyam, and Mr. Mansoor, who is going to be an entrepreneur in the hospital healthcare industry. Thank you very much.